I'm turned on.
You steal me! You have to pay!
I have to pay.
You steal me!
Whoa. It's for your third leg. It'll help.
I like it.
There is definitely some juice in my goose. Are you and that special someone having trouble lighting the fire? You no longer dance the horizontal mambo or the bone dance? Well, we got you covered today. Colón, home of the most potent aphrodisiac known to man. So stay tuned. This is isinglass, unique to Colón. The secret ingredient, that's the aphrodisiac, the strong aphrodisiac, is an algae. This particular one has the algae, honey, and gomarro beet, which is actually a little stone that you put it in liquid and it dissolves. This one does not have the stone. It came from a different establishment. So I'll be comparing the flavor on both. This particular isinglass comes from Panaderia, which is the oldest and most popular bakery in Colón. Whoa, that's strong. Definitely a different flavor for me. I can't compare it to anything. It's a little bit sweet, of course, because of the honey. Maybe that stone has a certain taste. A little bit like cookies and cream. And now, if I could get the cap open, much, much sweeter. Cinnamon, strong cinnamon flavor. Very good. I'm not sure how much I have to have before it gets in my system and makes things happen. Maybe I should drink both. You know, they say comedy is an aphrodisiac. So I guess when women laugh at me after sex, that's a good thing. You know, my girl and I, we rarely ever have sex these days. Maybe this will help. But let me tell you, when she does have sex, she screams, especially when I walk in on her. Well, I've only had half of one and a third of the other, and my mind is wandering already. Here I'm holding a bun called pan bon, and what it is, it's a heavy piece of bread with cinnamon. It's cinnamon bread. Rumor has it that oftentimes they pair it with isinglass. So I'm gonna try this. Raisin and cinnamon, delicious. Definitely pairs well, isinglass and pan bon. Now I'm turned on. Peanut butter. That's what it tastes like. This is good. Well, I certainly have nice buns today. Makes me want to listen to Bon Jovi. Of the two, they were both delicious. This isinglass I prefer more because this one is very sweet. This one has almost that unique flavor I couldn't put a finger on, is kind of almost a peanut butter sense of a flavor. So I think this one is more delicious. Well, we've only been drinking them for about 20 minutes, I think. And I actually feel a slight flush. I feel it in my legs now. Not in the other area we're more interested in yet, but I think it's on its way. I finally got to try isinglass. Not one, but two varieties of it. And as expected, it does kind of live up to its reputation. It's like a mild Viagra, to be honest. But let's see, maybe it needs an extended amount of time and then it's raring to go, who knows? But the fact it did anything at all honestly surprised me. What do you guys use for an aphrodisiac at home? I'd love to know, so please comment and let me know. Let's see if any of the ladies are like my isinglass. Hey baby, you want to try some of my isinglass? You feeling it? Are you feeling it? Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hey baby, want to try some of my isinglass with me?
I do love that and I do need it. Yeah, I'm from here, Panama. Colón.
Oh, so you know the magic, right?
I do, that's so good, thank you.
Oh yeah, are you feeling it? Are you feeling it with me?
This is, I do love these. Oh, hey, you steal me. You have to pay.
I have to pay.
You steal me.
I stole you.
You steal.
Steal.
are. I do love you. Thank you. You have a good one. Thank you. Are you ready to get out?
Hey, my man.
Yes.
Queso pa. It's for your third leg. It'll
Wow.
help.
I like it. Let me try it.
Oh, it's already working.
Working already.
Well, everyone, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes since I chugged down a bunch of icing glass. And I gotta be honest, I had to tell you, it's starting to work. The juices are flowing. Where they're flowing to, I'll leave it up to you to figure out. But the juices are flowing there. There is definitely some juice in my goose. So maybe what they say is true. The potent aphrodisiac from Colón. Go get some. I recommend it.